In this video, we will discuss about the magnetic elements of Earth. Magnetic element of Earth means different terms or parameters which tells the magnetic field at different location of Earth. So there are three parameters, that is angle of declination, angle of dip and horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So let us discuss about angle of declination. So before we study about angle of declination, let us discuss about geographical meridian and magnetic meridian. Suppose you have a Earth and geographical north-south pole is along this direction. If I make a plane which cuts the Earth along this direction, then this plane is known as a geographical meridian, or we can say that geographical meridian contains the geographical north-south pole. Similarly, if I am cutting any plane which is along the magnetic north-south pole, and that plane is known as a magnetic meridian. As shown in this, for this case also, suppose this is your geographical north-south pole is along this direction. This plane represents the geographical meridian, and this is along the magnetic south-north pole. So then it is called as a magnetic meridian. Further, if you want to study more, so suppose this is my bar magnet. If I hang any bar magnet, it is always pointing towards north and south direction. So if I make a plane which cut this, magnet perpendicularly along this direction, so then it is known as a magnetic meridian. And if I make a plane which is towards the geographical south-north pole, that is suppose along this direction, and this plane is known as a geographical meridian. So basically, now come to this one, angle of declination is angle between geographical meridian and magnetic meridian. Angle made by the magnetic meridian and geographical meridian is known as a angle of declination. See in this diagram also, if it is a true value of geographical and north-south direction, and if you hang any bar magnet, it is pointing along this direction. So the angle it is making is known as a angle of declination. Next one is angle of dip. So angle of dip is that if you hang any magnetic needle and it is free to move up and down, so angle of dip, it is defined as the angle between total strength of the magnetic field and horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. To understand it, it is observed that whenever you hang any bar magnet or any magnetic needle, if it is free to rotate up and down, the magnetic needle will not be in horizontal direction. It will pointing, or it will be tilted downward or upside. So question is, why this magnetic needle is tilted along this direction instead of horizontal? Why it is tilted along this direction? Because the Earth's magnetic field is along the direction of tilt. इसका अर्थ ये हुआ कि यहाँ पर जो अर्थ का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है वो along this direction है. So that is why this magnetic needle try to align along this direction. So this represents the total strength of the magnetic field. Now by which angle it get tilted from the horizontal is known as a angle of dip. So I resolve this total strength of the magnetic field into two parts, that is BH, B cos of delta, and BV, that is B sin of delta. Similarly, if you divide them, you will get this much. If you square and add them, you get the total strength of the magnetic field. And the last one is this one, horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So it is the magnitude of, now third and last, the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So it is a component of Earth's magnetic field in horizontal direction. So that is, what is the effect of what is the effect of this total strength of the magnetic field along the horizontal direction is known as a horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. If I draw all the magnetic element in one diagram, so I make, this is your two planes, this is one plane and this is your second plane, and this is your geographical meridian, and this I represent a magnetic meridian. If I hang any needle, so it is pointing along this direction. So this is your total strength of the magnetic field, and the angle with which it is tilted, it is known as the angle of dip, and the angle between the magnetic meridian and geographical meridian is known as the angle of declination. Further, suppose this is your bar magnet and it is pointing towards north and south direction. Now if I draw any plane which cut this magnet or which is along this magnet, that is, if you have taken this is your this much, if I take a plane which cut this one which is along this bar magnet, that is along this direction, and this plane represents the magnetic meridian. So next one, another one plane which is along the geographical north south pole, that is along this direction, and it represents the geographical meridian. So angle it is making, this angle, magnetic meridian and geographical meridian, this angle is known as a angle of declination. Similarly, if you see here in the plane of this magnetic meridian, if you see this one, if I am having, this is your bar magnet, if you hang this bar, if in some cases it is found that the magnetic needle is not, or magnetic bar is not along this direction, it is tilted somewhat. So what is the angle by which it gets tilted in a downward direction is known as the angle of dip. And what is the total effect of this magnetic field along the horizontal direction is known as a horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So why it is pointing along this direction? Because the Earth's magnetic field is along this direction. So what is the effect of this or this magnetic field along the horizontal direction is known as a horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. Thanking you.